Hi, and welcome to Quick Review with Ben. Today we're looking at the Keychron R6 full-size wireless retro mechanical keyboard. This is a big boy. Opening the box, we see our quick start guide, great hotkeys as well on the back. It does have the option to insert the Mac keys as well, if those of you who are using Mac for this. Here's the keyboard itself. I'll look at that in a second. Have a look here. We've got Keychron, some notes about their switches, the manual, all good to see. In here we've got our cable, little twist tie, and a nice braided, fairly stiff feeling cable. It is wireless keyboard, so the cable's only there for charging or if you wish to go wired. Nice length, USB-A to C. Nice colour. I think it's matching colourway as well with the keyboard, but we'll look at that in a minute. Oh, we get some fancy additional keys, the keycaps, sorry. These are lovely yellow. Got a few different shapes. I'll have a look at those in a minute. What have we got here? We've got some of the Windows keys and some other options as well. That's great to see, extra keycaps. There's the 2.4 gigahertz dongle, I think. Yes. Oh no, it's an adapter. Anyway, we'll have a look at that in a minute. The switch and keycap puller, as well as some extra. Oh, these are extra feet and things. Must be if you want to open it up. So you've even got a screwdriver, but it comes with replacement feet and little plastic doodads. Not sure what they're for, but that's all that's in the box. As I said, it's 100% layout. It says here it's got open source customizable keyboard, so you can do a bit of fun with it. Pair up to 3 devices, sound absorbing phone, there's light effects. Wired, Bluetooth, 2.4 gig, ultra fast wireless, a web configurator, and 1000 hertz polling rate. So looks really good. Supports everything: Mac OS, Win OS, and Linux. So let's have a look at the all-important keyboard itself. And yes, this brings back some memories. This feels like an old style keyboard. It's got some great feet at the back here, 2 height adjustable feet if that's your case, but on the desk it sits pretty nicely. There's the feet. You must need to take out some of those to be able to access the inside. I assume screws are underneath there. And yes, full size, fully mechanical keyboard. We'll have a look at some of these. The switches, I believe they're brand Tactiles are included in this box. So I'll have to have a play and see what's what, but let's try taking off a keycap here. Yep. Nice browns in there. Ooh. Nice feel. Traditional type keys, so you can and easy to replace. Full function roll, full switches, everything. You've got your switches on the top here, Bluetooth, and she does light up. Comes with some rainbow settings at the beginning. Bluetooth, I'm sorry, it's a 2.4 gig Bluetooth and wired, and I believe we can change OS by pressing some buttons. I can't remember which ones. I did look at this earlier.
A few moments later.
One minute, 37 seconds later.
Maybe it's on the front. Function 1, is it? Oh no, that's for the Bluetooth.
12 seconds later.
Yeah. Nice. So they whiz away. Here we go. Function caps lock. Do you hold it? Oh, you got to be wired into the Mac to be able to do that. So wire it in to your Mac, and you can switch from the Windows, as it says here, Windows to Mac, and be able to change that, and obviously change the keycaps as required for those, which again on the front of this is all there. So nice feeling keyboard, full number pad for those Excel warriors out there. Yep, solid feeling, fits really well on the desk. It moves the desk more than the desk moves it. Really excited to give this one a try. Love these kind of switches. Feels really nice, especially for lots of typing in a work type environment. But yep, full review will be up shortly. So like, comment, and subscribe, and keep staying tuned for some more unboxing as we go. Thanks.